Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Cash App card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your Cash App card. Locate your card and make sure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV code ready. You will also need access to your Cash App account. Step 2. Open the Cash App. Open the Cash App on your smartphone and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to activate your card. Step 3. Navigate to card activation. Tap the Cash Card icon on the home screen, then select Activate Cash Card. Step 4. Activate your card. You can activate your Cash App card either by scanning the QR code on the card using the app or by entering the CVV code manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 5. Confirmation. Once your Cash App card is successfully activated, you will see a confirmation message in the app. Your card is now ready to use for online purchases, in-store payments, and ATM withdrawals. Step 6. Start using your card. Now you can use your Cash App card wherever Visa is accepted. Make sure to monitor your Cash App account to keep track of your balance and transactions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.